An easy pinwheel style wreath that you can do using items from the Dollar Tree. You can do this for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, any kind of holiday. You can change up the ribbon and do it, any way you want. I took this pinwheel wreath form from Dollar Tree. I painted it white with some spray paint. And then I'm going to take some ribbon. These are leftover pieces. So I have a leftover piece of rope. And so I'm just making everything that same length as that leftover rope. But you can cut yours however long you want it to be. For the fluffiest effect, the ribbon with the wire in it is easier to fluff out. The other ones will be a little flatter. The stiffer the better. Most of the ribbon I did get from the Dollar Tree. So the canvas like ones I got from the Dollar Tree. The red mesh one I got from the Dollar Tree. The rope was a scrap from the Dollar Tree. This I did get from Michael's, and so it's three small ribbons together. So they're red, white, and blue with the cute little stars on them. So I cut four of the Dollar Tree ones, and then I cut two sets of the thin ribbon, and then I had one piece of the white and one piece of the rope. You can do this individually, like take each one, twist it, stack it, bunch it all together. If you're uncomfortable doing that, you can lay them flat like this, just fold them in half. It's real easy and real simple. Just lay them up, fold them in half, and any pattern you want. It doesn't have to be a specific pattern. You can do it randomly. You can do it all of the same ones together. You can just play around with it and just have fun with it. But just fold them in half, layer them. Like I said, you can twist them and do it, or you can lay them flat like that if that's easier for you to get them all together. Once you have them all together, I just took a rubber band and tied around the middle of where I folded at. See, this is great because you can adjust them later if you do not like how they look. Because, like I said, some of these are going to be just a little flatter of a look because they don't have the wire in them. But I'm going to spread out the bottom pieces here so that I can just play around with it and just fluff it around. So you can just twist them into place where you want them to go and just keep playing with it till you get the look you want. If they are laying too flat for you, you can pull the tails so that it fluffs up more at the top, but you can just keep going until you're done. And then for the tails, for the wider ones, I just took and cut them on angles. So I folded it in half, cut it on an angle so that it had like that little peak look there. You can cut them straight. You can do whatever you want with this right here. But because you will see the tails though. So just cut them nice and even so they don't look too rough and they don't fray at the end. Once I was done playing around with the bow, I just zip tied it to the pinwheel. So you can tie this with a twisty tie. You can tie this different ways, but I always like just using zip ties because it's just quick and easy. So you don't want to pull the bows and stuff so that they are all mushed up in the zip tie. You want to make sure you get it underneath it so that it doesn't mess up your bow. Because I turned it over, I got to fluff them back out again because I kind of flattened it. But that's just really it. It's real easy, real simple. You can go ahead and you can add other things. My intention was to add a cute little welcome sign, but it broke on the way home, even though I didn't put it in a bag to keep it from breaking. So I need to glue that with wood glue to make sure it just stays together nice. And I didn't have the time for that to dry. So I left that part out, but you can leave it like this. You can add a cute little sign to it. You can add more decor to it. Like I said, you can do this for any holiday, any season. It's just something real easy and real simple to do. And I did mine using mostly items from the Dollar Tree. So I hope this gave you some inspiration to go out and to create something really cute and fun.